welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about a person that's bothering her. She's referring to this person as the lady over there. No, I don't know what the lady over there did to her because I did not do that kind of research as yet. But this lady is bothering her. She said she was scrolling through YouTube and she went on, she saw the video and the live and she started to scroll through, and when she scrolled through, definitely was her. And it was a calling show about her basically. So she's saying that to that lady, she should go and find a job. She's not able to find the amount of money that she has, that Marcia has, that she's paying for a hotel right now. And she's saying that according to her, Curly, the calculations would be 400 and something thousand Jamaican dollars that she's spending just for rent, just for payment at the hotel. And that lady does not have that amount of money. No, I don't know what transpired, as I said before, between her and this lady, but Curly is giving it to her. So you would need to go ahead and watch the video, listen to hear what she has to say, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful day.
According to my calculation, and that's the cheapest, 489,000 for 1 month in a Jamaican blood clot money. And you dirty pussy old girl, I talk about Marcia Campbell? Eh? Can you afford 489,600? And that is just for sleeping. It is not for naming, gas, and clothes, and other bills. Blood clot girl go have a seat, bitch. Stinking pussy girl go have a seat, bitch. Go find something else to do. Go Kingston. If you not make the money up at the blood clot country as place where you can't chat, go at Kingston and see if you can compare to the girl on a back road and New Kingston. I go sell your pussy, bitch, and come off of my name. Me tell you already. You not cut no blood clot dash. Go and sell your pussy, bitch, a back road and New Kingston. Because obviously, whoosh by you there, the country where you come from, because you chat bad country ass girl, we got the funeral of Jamaica. Yeah, you may chat too, come in acknowledge in a month. Bitch, before you over there come in, go and sell your big pussy. You say you're hotter than me, you're sexier than me. Me see you one orange clothes the last time with the whole of your back cut out. Go and sell your front, bitch. I don't have to sell it. I have over $10,000 worth of merchandise in my warehouse. Me can't suffer and beg for bread. All me have to do is to put them out and say, come. I may have other goods, may have other merchandise coming on Tuesday. Me have 6 brothers and sisters live in America. Go and sit your little black ass and educate itself down, bitch. You and your damn stupid ass followers, then we are suffer and don't have no self-esteem. We sit down and ride false dildo at night time and don't have a man to fuck them. Now tell them say them love them. Those are some stupid ass workless bitch woman over there so. We had sit down and I watch Marcia live. I am happy over here. Happy over here. If you don't want things to me happy over here. Me don't have a chick or a child. You see which part me there, me pay, everything is included. Cable, everything. Water, light, and gas. Every fucking thing. Me get housekeeper, and me get gym, and me get swimming pool. Right now, if me have my bathing suit, me go right near swimming pool. Maybe later on, me go take the gym and go up on my machine and go double exercise. Bitch, show me your life. And you me I talk to? You me talking to? Greeting Mafia, wagwan. Yeah, man. Me tell you, that don't make no sense. I don't know you, and I don't want to know you. People, the food tastes very good, me not lie. And it tastes even better today because it marinate more. I must tell you, no, say, when you're not enough art for a Connecticut, stop at Pampy's restaurant, they can cook. Unfortunately, lucky thing me didn't name out most of the meat last night. Me forget to put it in the fridge, and this morning me wake up, it was the soup was sour. So I had to throw it away. Here goes my $9 down the drain. But meat was still in the said way. But lucky thing, me did eat out my chicken foot. Me never really want to waste because I said to myself, say, so I wake up this morning because I miss breakfast. Because I wake up and I go back to sleep. And I miss breakfast and I say I eat it for breakfast. By the time I could take 1 teaspoon I eat, I say it's sour. And I say no, so I not drink it. You understand? So I waste. So I did buy the food for dinner. So I eat me I use. So if you're down the yard and yam rice and peas, me and yam rice and peas too. Tomorrow, Monday or Tuesday, I'm going to Red Lobster. Red Lobster have special. Monday to Friday, so a whole week special. You can get endless shrimp and Tuesday and Wednesday Friday. You can carry, you can get $25, then yam to the drop. You can go right in there and yam $17. Fish and chip, steak and lobster and crab leg. So eating restaurant, more and go make and go yam. Me don't know how them me don't know how my prepare. I worry about somebody, me don't worry about them. That is crazy. That is crazy. Go sell your pussy around the back road, bitch. That obviously wish you didn't work for you. You see the girl upon one piece of show a long time, you know. Me not go upon her page, you know. Me just a pass and me say, for me see the title, me know say I made them attack. So I click on it, me hear this woman calling, Carla, a true man. And because she don't know, Miss Kitty cuss her out. Miss Kitty cuss her out, she talk about her life going down the drain, bitch. Life going down the drain? Are you fucking kidding me? Do you hear how much my bill is for the month? Almost 500,000, bitch. Show me 500,000 we have a yard to pay bills with. Tell me. Show me 500,000, girl. In a Jamaica money. Show me. Show me. Show me 500,000 in a Jamaican money. Where you do with that? We need a piece of whole house we have up there. Come show me 500,000. Huh? Come show me. Come show me. Come show me, huh? Turn the camera, let me see this where I live. I dare you. Show the camera, let me see your house. Show the camera, let me see your house, big girl. Who are you? Your blood clots are looking if people ain't grant you a visa. So come and find. No want some of the dirty rash will come and find, you see? I want to come and find, especially at a time like this. I want to get a visa and run off. I want to get a visa and run the hell off in America in 2024. I dare you know. I dare you know. Get a visa and run off America in 2024. I dare you know. And come up and come stay with one cousin or one friend or one family member and stay in a year for a month or two. I dare you know. Come. I want you to run off and come here. I want you to run off and come. Hold on, people, get some ice. I have a very big arm. Hi. I'll get some ice. I met a couple yesterday. And the lady told me, I was talking to them. And the lady told me she have her stuff in storage. And she's going to stay right here. For about 3 weeks, she and her husband. And they're moving. I think they're moving towards South Carolina. But they're looking for something else. They're moving to South Carolina. And they sold their house. But they had to come out. They sold their house. And they're not going to buy back one. They're moving to North Carolina. Them say house is very expensive to maintain nowadays and the taxes are high. And they're moving to North South Carolina to rent a condo. People don't come a brag. A brag about house. When fucking lucky have a roof over the head. And some ice me go get. Yeah, una lucky. Una lucky una can't come here and you should have fucking lucky. Una have a roof over una head to sleep at night time. And me rascal know say me have a good place to sleep. Me know that. No roach, no chink. A good place to sleep. No rat. No bad mind people. Me have to look pan. And no dirty place out I do I'm building. Nice, pretty building. Some of you know. Coming up here chatting shit at people years old. Coupon you. Where everybody know about you? Anybody know about you? I'm not going to find a girl. I'm going to use for a girl pant. One piece of my name. One piece of my name. Little dumb bitch. Get on my name. The man is supported them a calling. And to the fucking Sunday. And to the Sunday could kill this girl. Have talk show over there for my name. Go sit down. Go sit down and go see if you can go sing some song and get your voice to sound like a woman instead of a damn little undeveloped bitch. Go sit down in one corner and sing. Go get your voice trainer. Go get your voice trainer. You have to come on blogging page with the advice there. Achoo, man. Go get the strength in your voice, bitch. You suck too much blood clot dick. In your young age, you suck dick from year 5. The voice box gone. Blogging no fit you. That's how you sound, so. Just sound like a blood clot picture body. Achoo, man. Before she go take care of her life, take care of what kind of ass life, bitch, you don't have what me have. You will never have what I have. Me don't know you, you don't know nothing about me. Go down on the river where you're there. See if you can call to a dopey them to stone your ass. I make forget how to vibes back. Forget how to training. silly moi. When no can talent like me, no can give me a call. Can't test me. No time at all. Me multi-talented. Come give me some love for this. A big opera song that you hear me cut through right so. For all the people who love my opera song, show some love. For all the people who love my opera song and my talent, show some love. And this ain't no joking business. Let them know some multi-talented. Me can't go up on stage. When them can test me back. Yes. Show some love for the nice opera singing honey child. I may not even get no voice training for this. This is God talent when you give to me. This is God talent. Me multi-talented. That's why I'm not jealous of me. Can you imagine if I get some training? Eh? It's because I want to see the goodness and the star in me. I want to grudge me for my Shekinah glory that God gave to me. Nobody not show stone pan green mango. You have to be ripe. Nobody don't talk about you unless you're important.